This is happening in Hakha, Chin State, the western part of Myanmar. The people in Hakha launched night demonstrations on March 16, 2021. Despite the dangers, lots of youths are gathering on Buchuk Street against military regime. They enthusiastically sing revolution songs which spread across the country. After that, all the people remain silent for 1 minute in order to show respect to those who sacrificed their lives for democracy. At 8, all the people bang pots and pans like other nights to drive away the evil spirits, which last for 15 minutes. Let's hear the voice from one of the protesters. The reason we joined the demonstration, knowing that we have to give our lives, is that we want to end this dictatorship in our generation. We want to get genuine federal democracy. Let us be the last who suffer from dictatorship. I wish our next generation to live in a well-developed country. As I have mentioned, I do hope to end the military dictatorship in our generation, to abolish 2008 Constitution, to gain genuine federal democracy. For these reasons, we always participate in the rally. We face ongoing human rights violation in Myanmar. Currently, we can't use internet, which is the basic needs for our lives these days. The people in Plain region also lose their precious lives, and some are beaten by the brutal military while they join in non-violent demonstration. This is the highest human rights violation in Myanmar. We do need unity in fighting against military. From the eldest to the youngest, we have to fight this together. So let's fight till the end with a strong mind. This is happening in Hakha, Chin State, the western part of Myanmar. Hear our voices, save our next generation.